Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is for chicken lovers and that is chicken ghee roast. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Let's marinate the chicken first. I have taken half kilo of well cleaned and washed chicken. Drain the water, add some salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix well. And let it marinate for 20 minutes. Take 7 to 8 Kashmiri red chilies which are less spicy and soak for 15 minutes. Next, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of black pepper, 4 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 1 cardamom, and half teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Slightly dry roast them on low flame. Once done, cool them and put into a mixer jar. Add 1 small lemon size of tamarind, few garlic cloves and soaked red chilies. Add enough water to make fine paste. Now the masala is ready. Take a kadai. Since this is a ghee roast, we must add ghee. Here I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, we need to add some curry leaves to it. Saute for few seconds. Now it's the time to add marinated chicken. Fry the chicken with the ghee on high flame for 5 minutes. Now we are going to add masala which we prepared earlier. Mix well. Close the lid and cook the chicken until it becomes soft. And remember, keep checking in between. If salt is required, add salt for taste. And also I am going to add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. This is optional. Now the chicken is cooked well. Keep the gas flame on high and dry the gravy. If you want more gravy, then you can stop here, put off the gas flame and serve hot, or else you need to dry the gravy. And the delicious and tasty chicken ghee roast is ready to be served. If you like this video, please give a like, share with your friends and family and subscribe.